What's up, guys? Today we're going to rebuild this fuel pump. Let's see how this goes. I have no idea if it's bad. I found my reed valves were bad the other day. Actually, I reassembled it slightly, so I can't show you guys. But this fuel pump, I'm sure, has never been rebuilt. So I'm going to do that today. With the fuel pump repair kit. Right here. That's an aftermarket one. Price difference wasn't that much, and I probably should have went with the other one, but I didn't. It's alright. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got in here. Got a baggie. Couple springs. Little plastic clips. Some gaskets. 4 or 5 gaskets. Yeah, 5 gaskets. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is I'm using a 5/16 to get these 2 screws off. The other video I showed the removal of this thing. Probably gonna have some fuel leak out here. That's why I'm doing it with gloves. I'm tired of smelling like gasoline every day. It's a pain to get that smell out. One loose. Let's get this other one. So I took my carbs in. A local boat shop here. Mechanic said he would do it for like 200 bucks. 150 for labor, and then the rest in parts, which isn't bad at all. So I took them off and brought it to him. So now we gotta try to get this guy open. Do a little tap, 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 maybe. Hung up. Let's separate apart. There we go. It's actually really clean inside, I think. Alright, so I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing here. So I'm recording too, so I'll have a copy of it. It looks like there's 2 gaskets here. Yeah, there's a paper and then a rubber. Okay, so those kind of line up. Hey, there's little bugs in here. I'd say that thing might be kind of wore out. It feels really stiff. So here's the spring. A little plunger goes right there. There's another one there. It's pretty gunky in here. I'm gonna have to sand it down too. So this side comes off as well. Oh, popped right off. Looks like it's seated, but there's some rust and stuff in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out. Clean all that stuff out. So here's another one. Another 2 gaskets. Or a rubber diaphragm and a gasket. That's what it is. Let's pull this off. Yeah, see, that's pretty funky. But I got some new parts. A wire brush somewhere. Here, let's do a little brushing. Before I'm done, I'm going to spray it out with some brake cleaner or carb cleaner or something. Okay. This side doesn't look bad. This side here. So what happens is there's a little hole right here. This is there's also a hole in the block. So as the cylinder travels up and down, it creates pressure, which then just moves this diaphragm. At least that's what I just learned. They give me a new one of these as well, right? I hope so. No, they didn't. Shoot. Means probably gonna have to go back and get one of these. I thought I saw one in there though. Guess not. Here's the baggie. Wow, it doesn't have it. That kind of sucks. Down there in that hole. So I can pop these out. I guess I can do that now. These little guys put in with a piece of plastic. Grab it, pull it out, throw it down. Squeeze that together, push that right on through. Do the same thing with this one. There it is right there. Go ahead and pull this guy out too. Looks like they're the same size. Alright. So now I can give this a good cleaning. Seemed pretty dry, considering I just ran this engine the other day. A little concerning. So this is the oil bleed. I guess that's where the oil goes in. But that's been disconnected on this boat, so I don't have to worry about it. stuff a spray. Let's use some carbon throttle body cleaner. Maybe. None in there. It's alright, I got more somewhere. Maybe. Some brake cleaner. Try not to get that on any rubber. Squirts. Just using brake cleaner, not a carb cleaner, so brake cleaner works just as good. Now I have to clean this table off in a minute. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. Rub dub dub. Another quick little rinse. All right, that doesn't look too bad. I think we're good. Now I just dirtied up my nice clean work surface. Ta-da! Got another one. Somebody sent me a package for some boat parts. Used a bunch of priority mailboxes, so got a bunch of those laying around now. Alright, so the way this thing goes back together, looks like I actually have to save interesting. It looks like this kit did not come with everything I really needed. Gotta save that. That's garbage. Gotta save this rubber one as well. Pretty strange. You would think that they would include something for that, but they're not bad. Could clean them up with something. I don't know what though. I don't want to use brake cleaner because brake cleaner is known to eat rubber. Springs, two different sizes. So of course the little springs for the little one, for the little cap. Let's see how they compare. They're the same height. They have about the same tension. That one actually fits perfectly.